Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Kia Sportage. Now of course you have LED daytime running lights, halogen projector housing headlights, and then you also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these 16-inch alloy wheels. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got a reversing camera which you can see just at the top there. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've then also got this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf as well, which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept in the tailgate. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all around. Into the front, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see there. You got your hill descent limiter as well. Your air conditioning controls are in the middle. Your volume and your media options are at the top just here. Within this display we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth hands-free. We've got AM, DAB and FM for your radio, and then within your media you do also get your Bluetooth hands-free. Bluetooth audio, sorry. To the steering wheel now, we have your Bluetooth hands-free settings, volume, track select, voice assistant, and then of course you have your source selection just here. Then over to the right we've got your cruise control settings with your onboard computer as well. As you can see, as I'm pressing this button, it is cycling through the options at the top. You've got automatic headlights, and as you can see, this Sportage has only done 39,747 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.